Exercise example 7.24. At a hydroelectric power plant, the water pressure head is at height of 300 meter and the water flow available is 100 meter cube per second. If the turbine generator efficiency is 60%, estimate the electric power available from the plant. Value of G is 9.8 meter per second square. Right, so here we have to find power, output power. So let me make a list of given value. So given term, that is height is given, which is is equal to 300 meter. Clear? Now volume is given, volume of flow of water is given, which is called volume flux. Right, volume flux is given, which is V dash is equal to volume flux, we know that is, which is area into velocity by which water is flowing. So it is 100 meter cube by second, right? So this is a given value, and along with that efficiency is given, which is eta is equal to 60%. We can write it as 0.6. Clear? Because 60 by 100 is 0.6. Now G is given, G is 9.8 meter per second square. So these are the given value. We know that efficiency I, from the equation we know that efficiency is eta, efficiency of power plant or turbine or generator is output by input, output power by input. So from that we can able to find output power. So before that we need input power. So let me calculate input power first. Hydroelectric input source or input power is, that is power PI is equal to work upon time. We know that. Clear? Now this is work is force into displacement by time. Clear? So this force by displacement become velocity. So this is F into V. Clear? Now power, we know that by equation of pressure is equal to force upon area. So power is equal to pressure into area into velocity. Clear? V. Now this area into velocity is volume flux. Right? This is volume flux by the rate of water by which it is flowing. Right? So this is P into V dash. Clear? Now equation of pressure by height, that we know it is rho GH. This is a equation which comes in fluid mechanics 11 standard. Right? So this is rho GH into V dash. Clear? Now rho, right, density of water, let me write here, density of water is 1000. Clear? So now putting all value, we find this is 1000 into G value is 9.8, H is 300 meter and volume flux is 100. Right? So by calculating all this value, we find answer as 2.94 into 10 raised to 8 watt. Right? This is the input power, which is very important, right, to calculate output power. Okay. Now here we know what is efficiency. So let me write here. That is, now efficiency of generator, that is eta is equal to P naught by, that is output power by input power, P naught by Pi. Clear? So from this equation we convert P naught as a power subject. So P naught is equal to eta into Pi. Clear? Now putting value, eta is 0.6, 0.6 and Pi is 2.94 into 10 raised to 8. So output power is 176.4 into 10 raised to 6 watt, right? Or you can write it is 176.4, 10 raised to 6 is mega, so megawatt, right? This is the output power. Clear? Thank you.